This is experiment number 1 of the Introduction to Embedded System. So in this experiment, we will learn how to set up the Code Composer Studio environment and how to program any microcontroller inside this Code Composer Studio. So for instance, the microcontroller we are using in this experiment is the Texas Instrument microcontroller, which is EK-TM4C123GXL. So this is the microcontroller that we are using currently in this experiment. So how? So first of all, we have to know which version is appropriate for this microcontroller to program it. So we have to download the Code Composer Studio. So just go to the official website of Code Composer Studio and then click on download option, click on view all version, and just download this version, a 12.8.1 September 30, 2024. So just click on it. And if you are using Windows, so just download this version. And if you are working in Linux environment, so you have to download this one. So for now, I am working in Windows. So that's why I download the Windows. I downloaded this version. So as I already have downloaded this one and installed it. So let's just go to the process that how can we create a new project inside it. So let's say I want to create a new project inside the ECE505 directory because this is the course number for Introduction to Embedded System. Now I want to create a directory of name that is mentioned in this experiment, this one. So I will copy this name and just create a directory of this name because this is the requirement of this experiment to create a workspace directory of this name. So that's why I just mm, rename it like this. And now I have to download or the experiment number 1 startup and paste it there. So let me just copy the experiment startup. Then I will go to that location, EC505, workspace, and just paste it. That's it. Now I have to unzip it. So extract and just do it. So it is extracted properly. Now we have to open the Code Composer Studio and provide this directory or workspace. So just we have to provide this directory. So go to the Windows C ECE folder and then the workspace. Just choose this directory and select folder. Once it's done, so just click on launch. Now the Code Composer Studio will automatically open your project directory inside the Code Composer Studio. So this is the interface of the Code Composer Studio. Now we have to import the project inside it. So go to the project directory, project tab, and just click on import CCS project and specify the search directory or project directory here. So just click on browse, and this is the experiment 1 startup. Just click on it and provide the directory. That's it. And now click on finish. So it will automatically show you the project that is available inside your workspace. So this is the LED ASM because this is in assembly language, and this is the main code. So in this main code we have the LED and we are blinking it after every 1 second. Okay, so this is the code. Now we have to first of all build this project. So for building, we can directly right click on it and click on this build project. Alternatively, we can use shortcut keys like Control plus B to build the project automatically. So you can do in either way, but when I just click on this build project, so it will start building the project, and as there is no error inside this code directory, so it is built successfully. Now the second thing is we have to debug the code. Okay, so connect your microcontroller to your laptop or to your PC, and once the project is built, so you have to debug the code. Okay, so you can debug the code by directly click on that one, so it will start debugging. Okay, so this is for debugging purpose, but if we want to run the program directly, so just click on stop button, so debugging is stop. And when you want to run this program into your microcontroller, just click on run. Here is a load section, and we have the experiment one startup, this one. So if we just click on it, so it will automatically detect your hardware, and then after detecting your hardware, it will load the current project or code inside your microcontroller. So just click on experiment one startup. It will start configuring or start loading your microcontroller. Now it's done. The loading part is done, and now the program is successfully embedded into the microcontroller. And now I will show you the video recording of the microcontroller, that how it behaves. So I will show you how the LED will blink after every interval of 1 second. So the program is successfully loaded into the microcontroller, and in the video recording I will show you how the microcontroller works after loading this project. So this is the microcontroller that we are using in this experiment, EK-TM4C123GXL. So this is the microcontroller. In this microcontroller, we have two USB ports. One is for debugging and another is for device. And here is the selection. Like if you want to configure this microcontroller as a debugger, so just switch to the debugging section. And if you want to configure this microcontroller as a device, so just switch to the device section. So what is the purpose of these two? So like if you want to just load your program or code into this microcontroller, so you have to switch to the device section and insert this USB into the device. But if you are interested to see the debugging of your code, that how your code is behaving, so you have to insert the USB cable into this debugger, and that's it. So I just load the similar program into this microcontroller, and we can observe that the LED is blinking after every 1 second. So that is the experiment number 1. So I load that experiment into this microcontroller, and hence we prove that after every interval of 1 second the LED is blinking. So this is the demo of the microcontroller, that how can we load any type of code inside this microcontroller and observe its behavior. Thanks.